Alright guys, so I'm starting this video off a little bit different. I never start with this type of format, but I wanted to show you guys this unit right now because this is straight out the pack. So I've done absolutely nothing to this unit whatsoever. So when you receive this unit from this company, this is how you're going to receive the unit. Now, you guys know I love Wowafrican, and they literally have improved their units to the T. When I tell you they have the best pre-plug game ever, they really do. And I consider their units complete units because you don't have to do anything, hence the fact why I literally had to show you guys this unit when I pulled it out the pack. They pre-plugged this unit so nice. I mean, like, if you want to go in and do extra, you can, but I'm not. But look at, guys, do you guys see that? And they have glueless wig caps, guys, so you don't even have to put glue on this unit. You literally could just put some spray on it, put your little headscarf down, and keep it pushing. Like, wow. So this unit, guys, is a 13x6 kinky straight human hair wig. It is the SKU number HW08. The length on this unit is 20 inches long, guys, but it's more, I feel like it's like a 22 inch. The density is 150% density, but keep in mind this is a kinky straight texture, so 150% density is still full. It's a 13x6 deep parting space. The lace on this one is a HD lace, guys. It's super undetectable, as you guys saw. It does have clean bleached knots, which I love, and yeah. So this one also comes with an adjustable strap, like I mentioned, so you guys don't have to use glue or anything. This is a glueless wig cap. Now, guys, I absolutely love this unit. I'm ready to install. I'm gonna keep the install very simple, guys. I'm just gonna use the Eve Wonder lace. And I'm also going to use the actual glue as well too, because I want to leave this on for a few days because I got a few try-on hauls to do. So I'm going to use this as my try-on haul here. Now with this unit, one thing I'm going to do, I do like how kinky textured it is, but I'm going to just straighten it a little bit because I don't want it to be too much. So I'm going to straighten it like really lightly so therefore I can have like a flat surface. But you guys can look at it. Let me just, can y'all, like, are we going to just act like this is, look how beautiful this is. This is so, so nice, and there's so much parting space on this unit, it's ridiculous. Like, what? Like, what? You can even do a cute little half up, half down look if you want to with this unit. Like, I usually like to do half up, half down looks with kinky straight hair, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it today. But once I lay this little baby hair down, I get my air tap, my little sideburn down, period. So let's go ahead and install this unit. I have to come and show it to you guys because I want to show you guys right out the pack. I did not co-wash this hair. I didn't even hit the tweezer on this hair, and I'm not going to because I don't need to. So once I go ahead and spray this unit down, you guys are going to see how nice and HD and melted the lace looks. So let's get into the actual install. guys, so like I said, this was a same day install. It's about a few hours later in the day that I'm coming to actually, you know, talk to you guys about the hair. But all in all, like I said to you guys, this company is a solid company. What you're gonna get from this company is what you pay for. It's a complete unit. You get a adjustable strap with it, pre-plug, pre-bleach, everything. HD lace. As you guys can see, the unit looks super realistic. Hairline is on fleek. I did not tweeze this hair at all, guys. All I did was cut some baby hairs into it, and here you go. I'm gonna even show you guys. Look at that pullback right there. Okay, like, guys, straight out the pack. This is a same day install, no customization, straight out the pack. This is the way you're gonna get the unit. All you need to do is just install your unit, guys. Like I said, I did use the Even Wonder Lace adhesive along with their spray to get my unit to stay down. I only did like a little bit of a layer. I didn't do anything too crazy, guys, but all in all, I want to say thank you to Wowafrican for this unit. Like I said, this is 20 inches long. It's 150% density. But I do feel like as far as the density goes, I feel like the density is super thick because it is kinky straight hair. As far as the length goes, I feel like 20 inches, about like 22 inches. You definitely have like a little bit of extra length to it. But I do think all in all that this is a beautiful unit. You can do multiple styles with this one. If you're someone that wants to do the half up and half down look, you can go ahead and do that if you want to. It is a 13x6 lace wig cap, so you do have a lot of parting space, which I do like. And I even like the fact that the parting space is all the way through here as well too. Some companies will short you on a little bit of the lace. They'll give you like this little bit of corner right here. And with a corner like that, you can't really do styles. So with this one, you can definitely go ahead and do, oh, yo, this is crazy. Do you guys see this? Freaking amazing, amazing, amazing. I feel like I'm messing my hairstyle up. All in all, I'll turn around and show you guys what the back looks like, guys. But all in all, I am a big fan of this unit. I definitely think that if you're looking for a nice, kind of thick, blown out straight or kinky straight unit for the season, this is going to be a really nice unit to get. If you're not someone that wants to glue your units down, you just want to use like a little bit of adhesive spray, you can go ahead and just use spray with this one because this unit is a glueless unit, guys. So it comes with an adjustable strap. You guys saw that even before I glued it down, it was like stuck to my head. But I like to have my wigs like a little bit like, you know, slayed or whatever. So yeah, guys. And I'm the first person to say I hate putting baby hairs down with kinky straight hair because I feel like it doesn't look nice and realistic. But I think that these baby hairs, the texture goes well with baby hairs. So I think I did a pretty good job on that as well too. And moving forward, I like to keep it very simple. Just doing maybe like 2 here and just a sideburn, just because I just feel like all that extra stuff is just doing too much. So let me know what you guys think about this overall look. I think it's slaying to the guys. You can go ahead and put it behind your ear. And I did lightly straighten it, guys. I didn't go crazy straightening this one. So I did a light straightening job on it. And I feel like it looks really, really nice. Very realistic, guys. So let me know what you guys think down below. I'll leave all the information and coupon code down below per usual. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.